Yo, good morning guys and welcome back to the channel once again with Exhausted. Whoa, hold on, wait 1 second. Bish bash bosh. Would it really be an Exhausted video without the flat cap? I don't think so. But anyway guys, what we're going to be doing in today's video is we're going to be doing something quite different which I haven't done on the channel before, which I thought I'd test out and see if you guys like it and see how it does basically on YouTube. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking the MX5 or the Turbo MX5 for a POV drive. So basically what I've done is I've set up a BTEC head strap for my phone out of loads of little pieces of stuff which kind of seems to work. So what I'll do, I'll whip this on my head, we'll jump in the car and stop rambling and take it for a drive. I don't know how well that's come out guys, but let's hopefully you can see what I'm doing. As you can see, the MX5 is warming up graciously on the driveway. It's a cold morning. Oh, I don't know how well you guys can see. Hopefully you can see what I can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the roof up because otherwise you're going to get bombarded by wind noise, which we don't exactly want. So yeah, just let her warm up a bit more. Let's see what she's like. Actually, we'll just start driving, but we'll just take it nice and easy until she warms up, because obviously you don't want to floor it with a car which is cold, sorry. That would just be stupid. Oh, for flip's sake, man. It's the one thing about having a low car and having shite wing mirrors is they always readjust themselves when people walk past and knock them on the drive. So there's 1, 2, and also almost took out the bin. Oh, cool. We're back in action boys, back in business. So like I said, hopefully you can see, it doesn't help being tall in an MX5 as it is, but when you add an extra like 4 centimeters to the top of your head with a phone strap to it, it don't do very well. And look, if you can see what I look like in that mirror, I look like an absolute tit. There we go, round 2 again. So hopefully you can see exactly what I can see. Angle that down a bit more, that should be hopefully a bit better. Cool, let's get to drive. Fuck me, I keep knocking my head on the seat. I'm gonna have to like try slouch in my seat to absolute fuck. Is warm at last, at least. And I haven't got an exhaust leak, by the way guys, so yeah, if you do hear that, that's what it is. Oh, thank fuck for lights. So yeah, like I was saying, what we're going to do is we're just going to go for a little drive, basically have a little chat to be honest, and give you guys an overview of what this thing's like to drive. As you can see, we've got all our gaugey boys down there. Got our switches right down there at the bottom, if you can see that. I don't know, but yeah, I'm probably going to get quite a few weird looks because I've got a phone and a strap around my head and look like an absolute twazzock. But yeah, the things you do for YouTube, the things you do for the lads, fuck me. On the positive, at least we're first in the queue. Little pop for the boys. Some people just drive so slowly. Fucking hell, like that.
do is we'll go to some hopefully slightly nicer roads. Got the plan in mind, to be fair. We haven't got that much petrol, so we might have to stop off for some petrol at some point. But yeah, I don't know how well you guys can hear me at all. Hopefully the sound and video quality comes out good when I come to watch this back. We'll have to wait and see, to be honest. Probably heard that little scream there. Like, it just, there's an exhaust leak between the downpipe and the decap pipe. I was going to say between the cat, but I do not have a cat. But I do have a cat, but an actual cat, not an actual catalytic converter. What are they doing there? It's not even parked up properly. Sorry mate, when they're school kids I have to give it some. I'll go this time. Wait for that, because I don't fancy reversing back, to be honest. So you can wait for me. There's a school coming up here now, so can't really drive fast. Better be safe, we don't want to hit a kid. So we'll drive nice and conservatively through here. It's actually my old school on the left. This is where we used to park. Just on the left for school when I drove that pile of crap Peugeot. You probably can't hear me too well over that turbo flutter either. My exhaust is not the loudest exhaust in the world, to say the least. Because once you stick a turbo on there, it does muffle it quite a lot. But that's the exhaust leak right there. And there. We're getting into some more country roads. You might recognise this if you've watched the channel for a while. This is where I filmed my 0 to 60 test after the turbo build was done. So yeah, we're gonna probably best going halfway here so we get that out. That back end was twitching then, boys. Fucking hell. I just felt it lose traction completely. That was naughty. Must have been some sort of... Yeah, I don't even know what that was. Petrol have we got? We've still got some petrol left for the lads. $30 looks from the people in the cab. Space with 2 cars through there. dudes will spin around here. Woohoo! Police speed check area. I have never, ever in my life, you can see when I drive through here very regularly, have I ever seen a policeman speed checking in this area. So, I think they just put them signs up, to be honest, to get you scared. But anyway guys, don't speed obviously. Speeding is not great. I don't speed whatsoever, he says. And I don't know how I'll just slightly readjust this camera, because it looks like it's facing too far down. And this strap is starting to fucking dig into my head, and it really bloody is not comfortable at all. So what we'll do is we will basically do a little drive, boys. I'm going to stop talking, I'll shut up. We'll have a little drive and then, yeah, we'll probably end the video, to be honest. So let's all go this way. Gauges look so sick. They look so much better in the dark as well. Oh mate, my head, fuck me. It's actually brutal. Ow. Fuck. That turbo flutter, man, is something else. It is very nice. So yeah, anyway boys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the video there. I'm just driving to meet a mate now, so we're just gonna chill for a bit. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Something, like I said, is very different to what I usually do on the channel. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one boys. Adios.